Hello, and welcome to Technic Force Learning. Today's video is about everything you need to know about YouTube Shorts. Let's begin. What is YouTube Shorts? According to Google, YouTube Shorts are vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length. In addition to showing on your channel, viewers may find out your short-form video on the homepage of Shorts shelf and tap into the vertical viewing experience made for short videos. So how to use YouTube Shorts? On downloading Shorts, you can use YouTube's short-form video creation tool, the Shorts camera, which makes it easy to create videos that are up to 15 seconds long with the option to capture multiple clips. You can also use various creative features including music. You can pick from a selection of songs that are free to use. Speed control. Choose to speed up or slow down recording. Timer. Set the countdown to record hands-free and the stop point to automatically stop recording. You can add anything beginning from YouTube's own audio to any copyright-free music to your short video. So where can I find YouTube Shorts created by others? YouTube users can find your short videos on the homepage of the shelf. Apart from this, users can also find it in the What to Watch Next module. Users can also search YouTube to find shorts created by other consumers. Can you monetize your shorts video? As of yet, you cannot monetize or generate ads on your YouTube Shorts video. However, the company may work on this feature in the future. And is YouTube Shorts available for me? Yes, it is. You can create your own YouTube Shorts even if you just have now started your YouTube channel. You are eligible even if you don't have thousands of subscribers yet. So how do I use YouTube Shorts for my business? First off, YouTube Shorts should not be confused with YouTube Stories. While both can be accessed only from the mobile app and are in the same aspect ratio, 16:9, or basically taking up the whole mobile screen in portrait view. There's similarities end there. The main difference between the two is that Shorts shelf life is the same as with regular YouTube videos, in that it stays in your channel for as long as you keep them. YouTube Stories, on the other hand, are more short-lived, up to 15 seconds in length, and disappears after 7 days unless you save them. And here's 3 tips for creating engaging video content for YouTube Shorts. Number 1. Create relevant and interesting content for your audience. Your content should resonate with your audience. Ask yourself, what content would help my subscribers? What are they most interested in? What topics do they care about? Knowing where they are in the sales funnel also helps in determining what content is best suited for your audience segment. Additionally, the content you post need not be transactional all the time. Fun, lighthearted, and behind-the-scenes content are also a hit for many users. Promoting user-generated content is also a great way to engage with your viewers and make them feel more valued. The important thing here is to balance being authentic and being in line with your branding. Number 2, get creative. As I've said before, you can add music, transitions, video captions, and also filters. Use these features and get creative. 3, be consistent. Consistency is the key. Make a commitment to have a consistent posting schedule, even if it's only once a week. Your audience will be more likely to be engaged if they know when they can expect more content from you. And lastly, make your content stand out from the competition. The popularity of a video content has been soaring high for the past few years, which also means that the competition is also high in making your content stand out from the rest. And if you want to stand out, we have the right tool to help you. It's called Traffic Jeet 4, the fastest way to get YouTube ranking that sticks forever. You can pull in thousands of free views every day with simple optimizations. You can rank on top of YouTube for any niche, track competition, and grab their traffic secrets. You can find the keywords that can get you most traffic. You can feed a group of keywords, identifying the one that'll send you most amount of free traffic. Explore and find the top secret niches on YouTube. And find all the keywords and tags used by any video on YouTube. Competitors are stealing your buyers. Claim them back with Traffic Jeet. Get the 3-step system for #1 YouTube rankings that sticks long term. Everything you need to rank at the click of a button. Step 1. Fill in your core niche or keyword. Step 2. Discover the best opportunities for traffic. And Step 3. Deliver optimized videos that get you the real traffic. So if you want to learn more about Traffic Jeet, just go to trafficjeet.com. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching.